Yes, guys, what's up? What going? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen again. Today we are do a little quick workout video. Thank God for life and health. Yeah, man. Another day upon earth, another day for be great. So we just gonna do a quick workout. Do a little 2 mile walk and do some different exercises. As we go. So just watch the video and enjoy it. Yeah, man. Try to do little pull-ups real quick. Long time I don't do this, good while. Shit. Oh, what that shit, that is bad. Oh, let's try it again. Hold on. What's up? No, we need to get back in a shape, better shape. I'm upper strength kinda weak right now, so yeah, in the next workout video actually, you'll see a better result, improvement of them something there. Right now, a good while in a workout, so yeah, just continue for what the vlog and yeah. Yes guys, so we'll do some sit-ups right now. This is like one of my favorite workouts, sit-ups and push-ups are two of my favorite workouts. So we're just gonna do some quick sit-ups real quick. Probably like 25 straight or 20, and then I'll probably do like 3 different sets. Alright, so we're gonna start off right now. So that's 25 guys. Alright, I'm gonna wait like 30 seconds to a minute before I do the next set. Alright? Yeah man. Yeah, so now we're gonna do set 2. Alright? Second set.
Never answer to no, man, I still go. 19.
Alright guys, so we're not gonna overdo it right now. Get the body warm up. We're gonna do one more lap, and probably after that next lap I'll stop here again at this station and do some more. Alright? Yes guys, so right now I'm up on the 2nd mile, right, almost to the finish line. I'll run go back around to the pull-up bar same way and try again. Try to do a better job, and then back to the sit-ups. Yeah man. Right now I'm kinda tired, but I'll give it a 10. I'll try to 10 this time. The body warm up right now, so hopefully I'll be able to do 10, or at least close to 10. That was fine. So probably next week I'll give you out 10. Alright, so let's come on. Yes guys, yes. So we're at the final stage right here. The sit-ups again. And now do the final 3rd set of 25. The 2nd set was 19. I wasn't able to get to the 25, but I'm gonna finish the 25 right now. Yeah man. I'm going to 30 and 25 million. Oh God. Ooh. That felt good. Yes, guys, like I said, health is wealth. You know, as you all know, I'm a chef, personal chef, and also a head chef at a restaurant here in my city, Lake Wales. Yeah, anyways, with that being said, you know, me eat a lot of food in this, you know, on a daily basis. Sometimes, some days, we do the healthy style, but for the most part, a lot of fried chicken and all them stuff there, which is not good if you eat too much of it. So, you know, just like one car, you need to change your oil. So, my oil is the workout. You know, so every once in a while you have to diet a little bit and re-cleanse the body and, you know, recharge up and get ready again. So, thanks for watching the video, guys. Peace.